Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the first video on entering marks in outcome assessment system. In this video, we are going to learn about how to allocate marks to quizzes, assignments, midterms, and final exams as per the CLOs in an Excel sheet. We will also talk about how to register to outcome assessment system and how to log in to outcome assessment system. Then we are going to talk about how to register the courses, and finally how to record marks for each course in the outcome assessment system. So let us start with allocating marks to quizzes, assignments, midterms, and final exams as per the CLOs in an Excel sheet. So here you can see that I have one of my courses, that is accounting 316, that is oil and gas accounting. In this Excel sheet, I have intentionally hidden the marks and the IDs of the students for confidentiality reasons. So here I have conducted 3 different quizzes, and each quiz is of 5 marks. So the total number of marks for quizzes is 15. Then there is assignment, and you can see that the total of assignment there are 7 different assignments, and these assignments have been allocated marks based upon the CLOs for the course. Then there is a midterm exam, and for this midterm exam again you can see that for each CLO we have a question, and there is a marks for each one of them, that makes 25. And finally I have final exams, and for this also, for each question I have allocated, I have designed them as per the CLOs. So this is the most critical part, and that will make your work very convenient if you put all your marks in an Excel sheet, because then the rest of the things is just a copy and paste. So that is how we allocate marks to quizzes, assignments, midterms, and final exams as per the CLOs. Next, we are going to register. You have to register to the outcome assessment system. For this, you have to log on to the website, and as you log on to the website, you will be given you have to first of all register for the course, for register to the system, and for this you make sure that you enter the Mawarid number correctly. I think it is not name sensitive. You can put any name, but it is giving you it. The system is accepting. Regarding the email, make sure that the email do not have capital in capital letters. It should be lowercase rcjy .edu.sa. If it is capital, obviously it is going to not accept the email address. Put down your Cisco number and then your password, and the password must contain both small and capital letters along with some number. You have to re-enter the password that you have recorded over here, and then choose the department from the drop down menu, and then you submit it. If all the information has been submitted correctly, you are going to be registered. And next is you have to log into the system. For this, again, put down your Mawarid number. This will be followed by the password that you have already saved, and then log in. So once we log in, I have my Mawarid number, I have my password, and once I log into the system, I will be given a chance to register my courses. And you can see that we have to select a course from the drop down menu. Then there is a section 1 2 3 4 5. Then we have the campus, whether it is a male campus or a female campus. And once you do that, click the save button. Now, once we save the course, then we can see that uh, it is going to appear on the screen, the course name and the course code, and this is for the male campus. Section number is 1, and now I have to register the students for the course, and then obviously it will be the assessment part. But first of all, let us see how we are going to register the students. And to register the students, you click this icon, and once you click the icon, this window will pop up, and then here you can see that this is the active cell. Now if we are going to use the mouse, this is what we are going to get, and we shouldn't be using it. Rather, bring the cursor on the active cell and press control V to paste. And for this, I have taken these IDs of the students from the Excel sheet that I have already prepared. So the IDs are from this part. I simply copy it, and rather I use my mouse. I have to use control V from the keyboard to paste all the student IDs, and then click the save button. Next, we are going to look into how we are going to record marks in the accounting and the outcome assessment system. And for this, we have the assessment, and we have to select an assessment from the drop down arrow. And suppose once you click it, you may be having several options, and for this we have to, suppose I have opted for quiz number 1, I click quiz 1. And then when we come to the question number, you have to type it, displays, but you have to type question number 1. If you don't type it, it won't be recording, you won't be able to save it. Then decide the marks that you have for this, for each question that are there, and look at the CLO that is going to be from this drop down arrow again. So you can see I have quiz number 1. In quiz number 1, there is only one question that is for 5 marks. The CLO is 1.1. And now if I click the save button, this is how it is going to display the marks. So what we have to do now is that I click the marks icon over here, click the mark icon, and then you can enter the marks from the Excel sheet. Like suppose if it was quiz number 1, then for quiz number 1 I have the marks over here. I will simply copy them down, and as I copy them down, I have the students IDs. I have the students IDs, and then next to it you will find a blank columns, cells over here. Again, press Ctrl V from the keyboard and paste in the cell, and all the marks are going to be entered in these cells. Now once we have entered the marks, there may be some problems you may be facing. For example, you can see that I have 7 classworks or 7 assignments, but the system allows me only to enter up to a maximum of 5 assignments. So what I have done is, first of all, I have deleted my assignment number 5 because I just put the marks for assignment number 5. So as you click the delete icon over here, this window will pop up, and you just click delete, and it will delete assignment number 5. And then for assignment number 5, you have question number 1, and you have to put the marks for that. There is a CLO for that, and then you can, for each question, assignment number 5, question number 1, question number 2, actually this is assignment number 6 for me, but I cannot enter into the system, so I have simply put it as question number 2, and then this one as assignment number 7 actually for me, but then all the three are clubbed together as assignment 5, and each one of them has a different CLOs, and we simply follow the same steps of entering the marks for the course. So in this way, we are going to map out all the assignments that we have tested the students. We have the final exams. You can see that for the final exam, there are 3 questions, and they are for our 3 different CLOs, and these were the marks that I have allocated. And then I have simply used my Excel sheet. I have simply copied the marks from, for each question I have simply copied and pasted in the cells, and accordingly I got these scores: 95%, 89, etc. So that is what we have to do. But I would also like to add that in case if you have 2 different sections, although you may be having the same number of assignments and the same CLOs, but then you have to remap it. You have to do, you cannot copy and paste the marks structure, you have to prepare it again. So that is one of the limitations of the current system. Hopefully they may be improving it in the future. So that is the most important thing that I would like to add. Rest, I don't think you will be having any problem in entering marks in this outcome assessment system. Make sure that once you have done the assignments, you can see that in my case the assignments are for 25. The total must be 25. The final exam is for 35. The midterm is for 25, and the quizzes are for 15. That makes a total of 100. So I hope that this explanation will help you in entering marks in the outcome assessment system. And a very special word of thanks to my colleagues, Dr. Sayyed Farrokh Amin and Mr. Nasirul Haq, who assisted me in preparing this video. And this completes the video on entering marks in outcome assessment. I hope this is presentation will find value, find value. And if you have any questions regarding this video, or you are always welcome to send me an email, or you can even drop me on my YouTube channel, on my YouTube email, that is accountingamir@gmail.com. Accounting is AK, accounting amir, oh, @gmail.com. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found value in this video, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and hit the notification bell button to alert you for the latest video. Thank you so much.